Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Namaste, this is Kunal Mehta from Make Me Scientific, and in this video I am going to demonstrate to you a very good application of electrolysis, that is electroplating. So I'm going to take a coin, right, and it's a simple 1 rupee coin, and I'm going to electroplate it with the copper. That means the surface of that coin will be covered up with the copper. Now for this typical setup, the basic knowledge of electrolysis and the electroplating is required in terms of theory, so please check out the links in the description to do so. Now I'm going to make the anode as the pure copper plate and the cathode as the thing which I want to electroplate, that is the coin, right? And you need to be very careful that the current passing through the entire circuit should be very small, so that the uniform deposition of the copper takes place. So I have previously tried this one, and you can see that the electroplating did not go well because the battery voltage was set comparatively high. So if you have 0 to 12 volts of battery, right, set up the minimum voltage of the battery, that is say 1.5 volt or 2 volts, that is the ideal one, right? So I hope you will enjoy the experiment, and yes, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Let's go to the video. Add about 1 ml of dilute sulfuric acid to copper sulfate solution to increase the conductivity of the solution. Immerse pure copper plate that serves as anode into the copper sulfate solution. Now immerse the coin partly, which serves as the cathode, into copper sulfate solution. Set the EMF of the battery as 2 volts or as low as possible. Electroplating starts immediately within few seconds. Please note that on anode, oxidation takes place, that is the loss of electrons, and on cathode, reduction takes place, that is the gain of electrons. Let's switch off the battery and remove the coin from the copper sulfate solution. You can see that the beautiful copper deposits on the surface of the coin.